So today we're going to learn how to tie knots the Texas Tech way. And I have a method that I've developed to be able to do this and to teach it so that everybody has a reference in their mind and it meets many scenarios. The best way of doing it is to use one of these little knot tires and to use some thick strand of suture that has two different colors. In this scenario, the pink will always represent the side of the suture that has the needle driver. So initially, we're going to imagine there's a needle driver here. Ultimately, we'll have a real needle driver here. So generally, when you are right-handed, you put the needle driver in through here, and it comes out through here. And then what I say is just lay it down that way. What happens really is that your suture is crossed. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to say, "Whoa, Nellie." So you're going to hold this like you would hold a horse or a horse's reins. The next thing you're going to say is you're going to say, "Get your guns up." And when you do this, you're going to evaluate and say, "Oh, I have a needle driver on this side. I can't really run my needle driver through the loop and whatnot. So this is going to have to sit still, and my left hand is going to have to do some of the work." So after "Whoa, Nellie, get your guns up," you're going to lay it down. You're going to take it, and the hand that doesn't have the needle driver is going to take it onto the other hand, and see how there's an X there? You're going to make sure that there's an X. The next thing you do is you say "OK." This is the OK sign. Then you're going to flip your wrist so that the OK sign is on the other side. You're going to lay it down inside that pinched area, and you're going to flip it back. Then you're going to lay it down. Now you're going to do the same thing with your thumb. And what you're going to do is you're going to hook your thumb from the outside in. Notice it's not from the inside out, but from the outside in. You're going to do the same thing. Lay it down and make an X, make the OK sign, flip it, pinch it, flip it back, and lay it down. But now you're going to have to cross your hands. And what you get is a really nice square knot. Now we're going to go over it a little bit slower.